Episode 2, a short story of AI and how AI works. In this episode, we explore the short but exciting history of artificial intelligence, how it started, where it's going, and why it's important. We'll also explain how AI systems learn and make decisions, using everyday examples. From the dreams of ancient inventors to modern-day smart tools, AI has come a long way. You'll discover the basics of how machines learn from data and improve over time. This video makes it easy for anyone to understand how AI works, even without a tech background. Hello and welcome back to our fun and exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. In the last episode, we learned what AI means. We saw some examples of how it's used in daily life, like voice assistants, face recognition, and Google Maps. But today, we're diving a little deeper. We're going to tell you a story of how artificial intelligence started and how it works behind the scenes. Don't worry. I promise to keep it simple, fun, and full of real-life examples. Let's begin. Once upon a time, yes, like in folktales, humans dreamed of building machines that could think like them. Long before computers existed, ancient people imagined artificial humans and talking machines. In some African tales, you might hear of magical talking drums, or wise objects that can answer questions. These stories show that even our ancestors had dreams of artificial intelligence before we had the name for it. Now fast forward to the 20th century. In the 1950s, computers were still new. They were big, slow, and expensive. But something magical happened in 1956 at a place called Dartmouth College in the United States. A group of scientists gathered there and asked a question: what if we could make machines think like humans? That's the moment artificial intelligence was born as a field of study. They didn't know exactly how to do it, but they believed it was possible. And so began the journey of AI. At first, AI systems were designed to play games like chess or solve simple math problems. These were exciting achievements at the time. Over the decades, as computers became faster and more powerful, AI became smarter. In the 1980s and 1990s, new ideas came in, like machine learning, which we'll talk about shortly. Then came the 2000s. Something big happened: the internet exploded with data, millions of pictures, videos, text messages, and voice recordings. All this information became fuel for AI. Today, AI can understand speech, recognize faces, recommend what movies you might like, drive cars, help doctors detect diseases, and even help farmers know when to plant crops, and it's just getting started. Let's break it down into simple steps. To understand how AI works, imagine how a young child learns. Let's say a little boy named Tund is learning what a goat looks like. His mother shows him 3 goats and says, "These are goats." Next time Tund sees another animal, he looks at it carefully. If it has horns, a beard, and makes the sound mimi, he might say, "Goat." He has learned from examples. AI works in a similar way. We show it many examples, and it begins to recognize patterns. Step 1, AI needs data. Data is the first thing AI needs to work. Data means information. It can be anything: pictures, words, numbers, sounds, videos. If you want to teach an AI to recognize yams, you must show it many pictures of yams, some from the farm, some from the market, and even cooked ones. The more examples the AI sees, the better it becomes at knowing what a yam looks like. Step 2, training the AI. Now that we have data, we feed it to a computer program. This step is called training. The AI looks at the pictures and starts finding patterns. For example, yams are usually brown or off-white. They have a rough skin. They are shaped like tubes. AI doesn't understand like humans do. But it's very good at noticing patterns in numbers and images. Step 3, making predictions. After training, we test the AI. We show it a picture it has never seen before and ask, "Is this a yam?" If the AI has learned well, it will say, "Yes, this is a yam," or "No, this is a potato." This is called making a prediction. Just like you, the AI makes mistakes sometimes. But with practice, it gets better and more accurate. Step 4, getting better over time. One of the most interesting things about AI is that it can improve over time. The more data it sees, the more it learns. If you keep feeding the AI new pictures of yams from different regions, maybe white yams from Nigeria, yellow yams from Ghana, and water yams from Cameroon, it becomes smarter. This is why people say AI learns from experience. Now, let's talk about machine learning. Now, I want to introduce a term, machine learning. Machine learning is a part of AI that focuses on helping computers learn from data. Just like how you learn from your teacher or by reading books, the AI learns by studying data. There are three basic types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. You give the AI the data and also the correct answers. Example, you show it 100 pictures of fruits and label each one: banana, apple, mango. The AI learns to match pictures to labels. 2. Unsupervised learning. You give the AI the data but no answers. The AI tries to group similar things by itself. It might say, these things look similar, without knowing their names. 3. Reinforcement learning. You teach the AI through rewards and punishments. Just like training a puppy: good job, if it does the right thing, try again. If it doesn't. This kind of AI is used in games and robotics. African example, AI in farming. In Rwanda and Kenya, AI tools are helping farmers identify sick plants. Here's how it works. A farmer takes a picture of a leaf using their phone. The app checks the picture using AI. It says, this plant has a disease, and suggests a solution. This is AI in action, solving real problems. And the best part? The farmer doesn't need to understand coding or programming. They just use an app, and AI does the smart work in the background. Can AI think like a human? Not really. AI is good at solving one problem at a time. We call this narrow AI or weak AI. It can translate languages, recommend music, spot diseases in X-rays, but it can't cook for you, read your emotions, or think deeply like a human. There's also something called general AI, a machine that can do almost anything a human can do. But this type of AI doesn't exist yet. Scientists are still working on it. Important reminder, AI is not magic. It's easy to think AI is magical. But it's not. It's just smart programming plus lots of data plus fast computers. Humans are still in charge. We build the AI, we train it, and we decide how to use it. Let's recap. Let's go over what we've learned today. The idea of AI started long ago with human imagination. AI officially began in the 1950s. AI learns from data, just like humans learn from experience. Machine learning helps AI find patterns and make predictions. AI is already helping people in Africa, in health, farming, education, and more. And you don't have to be a computer genius to be part of it. Closing message. Thank you for watching episode 2. I hope you now understand how AI started and how it works. In the next episode, we'll talk about the different types of AI and what makes one AI smart and another limited. Remember, like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one. Share with your classmates, colleagues, family, and friends. AI is the future, and the future belongs to you. See you next time.